Hello second graders, this is Miss Farnoosh. I'm back with another video. This is a math video and it's about multiplication. It sounds a little bit complicated, but no, it's not. This is the first one. There is another one. Make sure to watch the next one as well. Let's get started.
Multiplication is a quick way of adding the same number over and over again. Look at the first addition sentence. I'm adding number 2 several times, like 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 10. You see? It takes a lot of time. But a quicker way to do that and to get the answer is to do multiplication. I'm adding number 2 5 times. I would say 2 times 5 is 10, or 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, or 2 5s are 10. Multiplication sentence can be written in two different ways. The first way, as you can see that I wrote, is horizontally, and the second way that I wrote is vertically. Here, in these multiplication sentences, 2 and 5 are the factors of the multiplication sentence, and the answer, which is 10, is called the product. Okay, look at the pictures. In number 1, we have two groups of dragonflies, and we want to know how many dragonflies altogether do we have. Two groups, and in each group there are 5. Okay, we can say 5 plus 5, which is 10, or we can write 2 times 5, which is 10. You see? In the second picture, we have 4 groups of 3. There are 4 groups, and in each group there are 3 turtles. Okay, we can say 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 12. Or the easiest, the faster, and the quicker way is to write 4 times 3, which is 12, or we can say 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. The last picture, as you can see, we have frogs. We have 5 groups of 2. We can write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 10. Or the faster or the quicker way is to write 5 times 2, which is 10. Or you can skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can use all these ways. Okay, there is another thing that I want you to focus on it, and look at number 1. In number 1, we have 2 times 5, which is 10. And in number 3, we have 5 times 2, which is 10. Look, in multiplication, if you change the order of the factors, it doesn't matter. We will get the same result. We will get the same product. And it doesn't matter if you write 2 first or if you write 5 first. This is only for multiplication.
Now, can you tell me how many guitars altogether do we have? Let's find out together. One way is to write the addition sentence, like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 15. But the other way, which is faster and quicker, is to write the multiplication sentence. But first you have to know how many groups you've got here. Okay, let's find out together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups, and there are 3 guitars in it, so we can write 3 times 5 is 15. This is the vertical way. You can see the X here. This is the multiplication sign, but also you can write it in the horizontally way, like so. 3 times 5 is 15, and the answer is the same. This is only the way of writing, and it doesn't change the answer. Here is another example. There are 2 leaves and there are 5 ladybugs in each. The question is, how many ladybugs altogether do we have? Let's find the answer together. It's super easy. One way we can add, we say 5 plus 5 is 10. This is addition, but we can do it faster. We can say 5 times 2 is equal to 10. We got the same answer. First we did addition, the second one we did multiplication. And you know that no matter what in multiplication, you can change the order of the number. You can say 2 times 5 and the answer will be the same. The product will be the same and it will be 10. Open your books, page number 170 from chapter 11. Look at the first one. In number 1, we have 2 groups and there are 10 flowers in each. How many flowers altogether do we have? As we did before, we can write the addition sentence like 10 plus 10 is 20. But now we learn how to write a multiplication sentence. We have 2 groups and there are 10 flowers in each. Therefore, we write 2 times 10 is 20. Number 2. There are 3 groups and in each we have 5. Okay, if you want to find the answer, we can write 5 for the first one, plus 5 for the second group, plus 5 for the third one. And we will get the answer of 15. The sum is 15, but the faster and the quicker way is to write multiplication sentence. We have 3 groups and there are 5 in each. Therefore, we write 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Both ways will get you the same answer. Number 3. We have 4 groups and there is only 1 fish in each group. So we have to write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It takes a lot of time to get the answer of 4. But you know, we have 4 groups and there is only 1 fish in each group. So we write 4 times 1 is equal to 4. The last one. We have 4 groups and there are 4 in each one. So if we want to write the addition sentence, we have to write 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and the sum is 16. But we can write the we can write the multiplication sentence and we will get the answer faster. We can write 4 times 4 is equal to 16. You see, 16 is the product and 4 and 4 are the factors of the multiplication sentence. This was the end of this video. Hope you get benefit of it. Please watch this next one as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.